Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic I absolutely love, the mother sauce pantry. Now, when I say mother sauce, you might think I'm talking about some high-end culinary magic. But trust me, you don't need to be a 5-star chef to create amazing flavors at home. Let's kick things off by breaking down what I mean by the mother sauces. We've got 5 classic sauces that form the foundation of so many dishes: bechamel, velouté, espagnole, tomato, and hollandaise. Today, I'm going to show you not just what they are, but also the essential ingredients you need in your pantry to whip them up like a pro. Ready? Let's get saucy. First up is bechamel. This creamy white sauce is your ultimate base for mac and cheese, lasagna, or anything that needs a comforting touch. The good news? You only need 3 magic ingredients: butter, flour, milk. Melt some butter in a pot. Whisk in your flour to make a roux, and then gradually add the milk. Keep whisking to avoid lumps. Boom! You've got bechamel. Seriously, it's that easy. Next up is velouté. This sauce is like the not-so-little sister of bechamel. So versatile. You can use it as a base for soups, stews, and even chicken dishes. To whip this one up, you'll need stock, like chicken, fish, or vegetable, butter, flour. Just like before, make your roux, then add your stock gradually while whisking. It's silkier than your favorite moisturizer. And trust me, once you master this, your friends will think you've been taking cooking classes in France. Now let's talk about espagnole, the powerhouse of sauces. This brown sauce is a bit more complex, but totally worth it. You'll need beef stock or vegetable stock, tomato paste, mirepoix, carrots, onions, and celery, butter. Cook up your mirepoix in the butter until it's soft. Add in the tomato paste, then whisk in your stock. This sauce takes your dishes from meh to wow in minutes. All right, no pantry is complete without the crowd favorite tomato sauce. Whether you're making pasta, pizza, or a classic marinara, here's what you'll need: canned tomatoes, or fresh if you're feeling fancy, onions, garlic, olive oil. Sauté the onions and garlic in olive oil, add your tomatoes, and let it simmer. Toss in some basil, and it's a game changer. Last but definitely not least, we've got hollandaise. If you've ever had eggs Benedict, you know how magical this sauce is. You'll need egg yolks, butter, lemon juice. I like to use a blender for this one. Blend the yolks, slowly drizzle in melted butter, and add a splash of lemon. You're basically a brunch master now, so there you have it. The mother sauces are truly the backbone of countless recipes, and having these essential ingredients in your pantry will take your cooking to the next level. Trust me, once you dive into this world, there's no turning back. If you liked today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment about your favorite mother sauce. I want to hear how you're using these sauces in your kitchen. Let's keep this cooking adventure going. Until next time, happy cooking, everyone.